What's up with YouTube? In this video, I know y'all boy read about title and thumbnail. This is how to make a girl obsessed with you. Look, I'm finna give y'all the gem to this, bro. I'm finna give y'all the gem. Y'all watch the video from beginning to end. I recommend y'all boy use this. With great power come great responsibility, bro. Use this power good, bro. Don't start getting a lot of girls attached to you. Start being weird, because women out here kind of crazy. One thing you know, you listen to Cam teach you how to make a girl obsessed. Next thing you know, you doing it, and now girls keying your car, flatting your tires. She at your window, busting your windows. Come on now, we ain't on all that. But you know, this how y'all do that right there. And now another thing though, when you got a girl that's super attached, you start to want to kind of break the attachment, but she's super attached. She's so clingy, she obsessed, right? So when you get to that point, right, it's like, okay, now when you tell her you want a little space, now she all emotional crying. Now you feel bad, and then if you do that a bad way by I'm gonna just stop talking to her that much. I'm gonna just ghost her. Now she on your door breaking things. Now she posting stuff. She just doing all type of weird stuff to you. And don't be like, man, this girl crazy. She not crazy. You did it. But look, let me tell y'all this. The way you get a girl obsessed, bro, you gotta have her thinking about you even when you're not around. Like, have her just thinking about you when you're not around. Like that's one way to get a girl obsessed. Quick as shit. How do y'all do that? How do you have a girl thinking about you when you're not around, Cam? By when you are around, you give her a good experience, amazing experience. I'm not just talking about in the bed. In the bed, that's a good way too. Amazing way. You seduce her right, you know what I'm saying? You tease a little bit. You do everything perfect, right? And then you do your thing right there. And then the next day, you tell her, the next day you hit her with a, okay, I'm gonna call you later on. Though I gotta, you have a productive day, right? And then you wait, you wait. Now she thinking about it. Dang, do he really like me? Was it good? Did he enjoy what we did? Like, you know what I'm saying? Now she all in her head thinking about you. And then when you do come around, yeah, you straight. And then you don't validate her. But I mean by don't validate, don't tell her, oh yeah, it was amazing, the best I ever had. Don't do all that. Basically the game is to make a girl obsessed. You gotta have that nonchalant in you, bro. You got to have that nonchalant in you. Or you're not care as much, bro. Cause like I told y'all, I tell y'all this all the time. A girl can't fall for you. A girl can't fall in love with you. A girl can't chase you if you doing it to her. How she gonna fall for you if you falling for her, bro? Oh my God, she's so perfect. I'm finna just give it all to her, right? And now she like, Y'all gotta realize, bro. It's a power game. It's a power game. Even when y'all in a relationship, you talking, y'all in a relationship, no matter what y'all doing, it's always a power game. You know what I'm saying? Who got the more power in a relationship? Who got everything going in a relationship, right? I got family members in there, so if y'all hear a lot of talking and stuff, they in there, doing their thing. But yeah, what I was gonna say, it's a power game, bro. Let me explain. If a girl find out that you like her more than she like you, she gonna start testing you. She gonna start playing games. That's why, bro. Everybody really know that. Everybody that's kind of older, that kind of got a little money, got a lot of things, right? Once you start loving a girl or you start liking a girl, you kind of tell her that, and you all for it now. I'm talking about you all for it, locked in. She your main priority. You putting on a pedestal. All that nice guy stuff y'all talk about. The moment you start doing that, what she gonna do? She gonna start pulling back. She gonna start acting weird. Oh, I know he gonna chase me. Let me not text him so he can validate me and chase me. Cause women like to be chased and they like to chase. Women like to chase men and they like to be chased, right? Let me explain. Women like chasing. That's why women like dating up, bro. They like dating up. What do this gotta get? What do this gotta do to get a girl obsessed? I'm finna tell you. You gotta be up, bro. You gotta be up. Women like dating up. So first of all, if you ain't got shit, she can't be attached to you. Cause you can't provide no type of experience. I mean, it's possible though. It's possible if it's like a young girl, I ain't really experienced a lot of people. But how long that attachment gonna last? Until she meet a dude that's colder than you, cause you ain't on your grind, right? Just think about it like that, bro. You trying to get a girl attached to you and obsessed with you, but it's people that's better than you. I'm not saying you gotta be the best dude in the world. You gotta be better than everybody. You just gotta be better than the people around y'all, the people in y'all circle, right? That's really just be better than her other options, cause women can get a lot of options. But what's the odds? Let's use me for example. What's the odds of a girl in my city talking to a YouTuber, a content creator, a dude that's finna hit 100K, a dude that's making like a dude that's well off, that don't have to get a job? What's the odds of that? Same with y'all. When you get on your grind and you get more stuff, you obtain more things, Things that's valuable, I'm talking about hard to get. What's the odds of her talking to another dude that got that? You know what I'm saying? So now you become one of the best options. When you become one of the best options, she obsessed with you, especially if you start showing her, you know what I'm saying, start showing interest towards her. Interest in you pulling back. And you give her experience the other man can't get her. Another guy, this is why I say, bro, look, I'm gonna keep it a stack with y'all. Bump the video. I got something to tell y'all niggas. Bruh, if you ain't got no car, I ain't even gonna say got it. If you ain't working towards no car, you ain't working towards no crib, you ain't working towards just getting financially straight. What I mean by financially straight, getting to a point in your life where, okay, I'm making good money, I can try to start some type of business or something. If you ain't got that right there, you shouldn't even be focused on no girl. You shouldn't, cause you got the same thing everybody else got. The same thing. You gonna say, oh, I look good. Well, guess what? Newsflash for you. It's other people she attracted to too. You ain't the only one. You're not. I'm telling y'all like this, bro. The moment you be single, be down for a while. The moment you down for a while, when I mean down, talking to no girls, put your head down, disappear. The moment you do that and then you come back out, you popping out with a crib. You got a crib. A lot of niggas ain't got no crib. A lot of niggas going to other women crib, bro. The moment you pop out with a crib, Chad, I can't wait to pop out with a crib. Do I get my own crib? Not right now. I'm looking now because I'm getting it like within a month. Y'all gonna see me soon. Within a month. I'm gonna get a condo, like some good shit. You know what I'm saying? Right? So look, bro. I already got a car, you know what I'm saying? Things of that nature. And I got great money. But look, Chad, this is what I'm saying. The moment you pop out with a crib, bro, what's the odds of other men having it? She talking to different dudes, and then she talk to you. Yeah, I got my own place. You need to come to my place. Right? And if y'all younger, most likely she probably ain't got a car. She ain't got no car, and she ain't got no. She living with her mom still. Bro, she would jump up and down. She would pack her spend a night bag so fast to come to your crib. You can come pick her up. You can go take her to a place to get something to eat. Then take her back to your crib. Get the cheeks. You ain't got to be in a relationship with her. Get the cheeks. Take her back to the crib. Be like, all right, you have a productive day. I'm gonna hit you up whenever. Right? Now, I'm gonna be busy today. I'm gonna hit you up tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Then you start pulling back a little bit, and then coming back, bro. She gonna be obsessed. She gonna be stuck on you. She gonna be excited for your text. Excited for your call. And you'll be better than her other options. Let me tell you why. She can be talking on the phone, and then you don't care, right? You don't care. What I mean by you don't care if she talk to other people. Why? Because you got multiple options. Multiple girls want to come to your crib. So look, you talking on the phone. She talking on the phone with other dudes. When you call, she hang that phone up. She gonna tell him, oh, my mama calling me. Hold on. Hello? What'd you say, Cameron? You want to see me tonight? Okay. What time? She ain't super excited, right? Why? Because you that's value, bro. Other men ain't got that. You the highest value in her circle. I'm telling y'all this, bro, because I'm telling y'all to get a girl obsessed, bro, you gotta provide her with some type of experience that she not used to getting, that she can't get. Some type of experience. You gotta have her thinking about you even when you're not around. Give her experience, bro. Experience is very important. As well as masculinity, bro. Masculinity is important too. I kind of got off topic with this video, bro, because I got a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I got a little bit into it. I'm telling you, I treat y'all, bro. Y'all like my little brothers, right? Y'all like my brothers. I'm just trying to tell y'all what it is, what y'all need to do. Instead of kind of telling y'all what y'all want to hear, I'm telling y'all what y'all need to hear, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro, for a fact. Even work on a car. It don't matter what kind of car it is. It don't matter. I had a Honda Accord, bro. What was it? 2000 what? I don't even remember. 2006. I had a Honda Accord. It wasn't the best looking car. I mean, it looked all right. It wasn't no lemon. It looked all right. But I'm saying, like, you go on the inside, it didn't have no it wasn't the best looking, bro. But I'm saying women they damn sure loved it. Got a lot of cheeks in the car. You know what I'm saying? And then why did the women always love that car? Why they ain't go for the Hellcat? None of that. Niggas didn't have it. I had a car. A lot of men didn't have a car. I'm gonna tell y'all, bro, the more stuff you get, the more your value go up, bro. You gotta build your value. In order to make a girl obsessed with you, build your value, bro. Start building your value today. Start changing everything. Reinvent yourself. That's the most important thing. Reinvent yourself. What I mean reinvent, just think about it. Take a step back, be like, hold on. Let me start moving a little different. Let me switch some things up. Go to all your social medias, change your stuff up a little bit. Be like, okay, I'm finna be more smooth now. I'm finna lock in, focus on myself now. When you get out this video, start focusing on yourself, bro. Lock in. That's the only way you gonna get them. Cause look, think about it like this. You watching the video, hoping that, like I said, I'm not telling y'all what y'all want to hear. I'm gonna tell y'all what it really is. What it really is. Cause I'm not finna lie to y'all. If y'all want to hear a nigga talk sweet to y'all and tell y'all all this little fantasy joy stuff, you just gotta be the one that she really like. If you want somebody to tell you all this stuff, go to somebody else's channel. But over here, I'm gonna tell y'all niggas straight up like it is. Right? And I'm telling you, bro. You thinking you finna watch my video, this video right here. You think you was gonna click on it and I was gonna give you the magical words or magical ways to move to get a girl to be obsessed with you. The girl you thinking about in your head when you click this video. You thinking these magical words or magical text or FaceTime and little tactics you can do to get her obsessed with you. It's not. Even if it was, let's just say you do that. Let's just say you do somehow get her obsessed with you and you ain't really got shit. What would make the girl have more interest in you than she will in somebody like me? Somebody grinding, he grinding. I'm finna popping out with new stuff. Popped out with a new car. Popped out with a new crib. Having 5 digits in his bank account. Nigga ain't used to having it. Going out on trips, on planes. I'm going to Miami beaches. Having an amazing time. Did not slide in your girl DMs. 100K on YouTube. Over 100K on Instagram. Over 600K on TikTok. What do you have? What do you have right now to make her not come with me? Think about it. What do you have to even compete with me? Keep it a stack, bro. And I'm not trying to talk like I'm the best. I just use that for example because that's just what it is. It's people like that that's colder than me. And I'm not saying this, bro. I'm not saying you should be intimidated by all the dude that got better things because it's not like that. Once you get a girl that's really, really obsessed with you and really, really like attached to you, she won't even go if a dude got a lot of stuff. You gotta have something though. If you ain't got shit, nah, she ain't staying. When I say not shit, if you ain't got no car, no crib, you ain't even got the bare minimum, nah, she ain't staying with you. I don't even know, she can't even get attached unless she's super young. She not getting attached to that shit. All her friends, they talking to dude with cars. She not attached to that shit, bro. But I'm saying if you got somewhat like of a decent car, probably a Nissan. That's what I got right now, yeah. I got a Nissan. I got a Maxima. You know, the double sunroof, all this shit. It's a decent car. I like it actually. I like it. Pay it off. But look, if you get a decent car like a Nissan, you probably you get into the bag, you get to the turkey bag. You know what I'm saying? And you got a crib, just say a little apartment or something. You get her attached, dog. She really ain't going nowhere no time soon. She not. Even if a dude got more, bro, she ain't going nowhere, bro. She ain't. You gotta get the bare minimum first. You ain't got the bare minimum, she gone. She gone quick. Cause a lot of things wrong. A lot of y'all think, bro, when you catch a girl young, when she ain't really experienced a lot, probably 1 body, 2 bodies probably. She ain't experienced a lot, bro. It's gonna be easy to keep her and keep her attached. It's easy to get her attached, but it's not easy to keep her. You know why? Cause she ain't experienced a lot of stuff. She wanna experience how I like to go to a dude's house. It's just his crib. She wanna experience that stuff. So what she gonna do? She gonna go cheat and go behind your back and do it. That's how young women is. I'm stretching this video longer than what it really is, bro. Hey, if y'all enjoyed this talk, for all my new people here, y'all make sure y'all hit that sub button. You know what I'm saying? Join True Nation. Hey, True Nation, I actually got a goal for y'all boys. It's not a lot. It's not a lot. My goal for y'all is gonna be 300 likes. 300 likes, something simple, something smooth. You know I like stay chill, so that's a chill number right there. 300 likes. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to join the community, make sure y'all hit that sub button, that like button, and y'all comment good talk. Comment good talk. That's how you get locked in, bro. Comment good talk. Now I'll see y'all boys in the next video, though. Let's get it.